Okay, so this is where we're at so far. We have all 6 of our digital and analog VHF, UHF radios up and functioning perfectly. And I actually have another ASDF soldier on the other side here. And out in quite a little ways away, we'll do a quick radio check here. Unit 2, this is Unit 1. How do you copy?
Loud and clear.
Okay. Give me a short count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, thank you.
You are more than welcome.
I'm clear. So that is actually from the radios here in the JISCC to a Baofeng handheld in the car. All right.